If you're someone trying to get started in graphic design, to know how it works, to know how you can start designing logo and visual identity and all other creative work in it, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you all what you need to know to get started in graphic design. But first, let me tell you a little bit more about myself. I'm Frank, a graphic designer niche in logo and brand identity design, and I started my journey as a graphic designer 2 years ago, that is 2022, and now I'm a fully graphic designer with self-taught. I say self-taught, but literally everything I had to learn it online. I had to learn from books, read from books, and practically that's who I am, as you can see. Now, let's go back to business. The first thing you need to know when getting started in graphic design is, are you passionate about it? That is passion. When I say passion, I mean, do you love graphic design? And by passion, I mean, do you love the work in it? The creative process, exploiting the brief, and we always like to communicate a message. And you almost hear this communicating the message 2 times or 3 times in my video, in some of my video I recently posted. And the second thing you have to know is, what is graphic design? So literally, people used to dive into graphic design with the mindset that they'll be creating posters, flyers, but literally is beyond that. We are not just only creating flyers, and I made a video about it that says types of graphic design you need to know. And literally, there is visual identity design, in which I base. There is UI and UX design, in which other people are based in. There is branding design, advertising design, marketing design, that the rest of the world designers are based in. And you have to literally know what is design, know who designers are, know the tools they use, know the work that they put into it, know the software they use, and literally know the place or the position in which you are a graphic designer. And to check the video in which I made, it is linked in the description, or I will put it in the screen somewhere here or here so you can watch it. But before you click out, like and subscribe to this video, and let's move on. The third thing you need to know is the fundamental thing, the ones that lays the background, which is the principles of graphic design. You need to literally know the principles of graphic design to lay a foundation. And that's why without the principles of graphic design, you don't know any single thing in graphic design. Although you would, but not as much as someone who knows what the principles are and implements them in his design work. So these are basically all the 3 steps or all the 3 tips I will give you when starting a graphic design. But going to the process of learning graphic design, there are a lot of things you need to face, and one thing I will tell you to do is do work for free, but not for someone, for yourself, because personal self-project helps a lot when you are posting them in your portfolio or any other thing you need to show off yourself, like social media and the rest of them. These are where your personal projects of your graphic design, your niche graphic design. I say niche because you have to literally choose the graphic design you want to indulge in, and it's not a must that literally you must do everything, but at least choose 2 or 1 to indulge in, and that's it. And as you do those self projects, it's showing you what challenges we face in, and the challenges are the challenges of the client. And remember, in a video I said that all graphic designers, we solve a problem, and that problem is communication. The communication from the client to the consumer, from the client to the target audience. That is the problem we solve, and that is why the clients come to us so that we can solve his or her problem. Alright, like and subscribe to this video and comment in the comment section what you do found helpful. I'm Frank, and I'll see you in the next one. Shalom.